Welcome to this comprehensive guide on meters per second to speed of sound conversion. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about converting meters per second to the speed of sound, along with some useful tips and a step-by-step guide. So, let's get started. In the world of physics, speed is a crucial concept, and it's often necessary to convert between different units of speed. One such conversion is between meters per second and the speed of sound, typically measured in Mach numbers. This conversion is essential for various applications in science, engineering, and daily life. Before we dive into the conversion process, let's first understand the definition of speed of sound. The speed of sound is the rate at which sound waves travel through a medium, like air or water. It depends on the medium's properties, such as its density and elasticity. On the other hand, meters per second is a commonly used unit for measuring speed and is defined as the distance covered per unit of time in meters and seconds, respectively. Now, let's talk about the formula for converting meters per second to the speed of sound. The formula is as follows. Mach equals meter per second, speed of sound in meter per second, where Mach is the Mach number, and meter per second is the speed in meters per second. Various factors, such as temperature, humidity, and altitude, can influence the speed of sound. To account for these factors, you can use conversion factors based on the specific conditions of the medium. These factors will help you adjust the speed of sound value in the formula mentioned above, allowing for more accurate conversions. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step guide for converting meters per second to the speed of sound. First, identify the speed in meters per second that you want to convert. Next, consider the medium and its properties, such as temperature, to determine the appropriate speed of sound value. After that, use the conversion formula. Mach equals meter per second, speed of sound in meter per second. Finally, calculate the Mach number using the values obtained in the previous steps. Converting meters per second to the speed of sound is important in various fields, such as aeronautics, meteorology, acoustics, and engineering. By following the conversion steps outlined in this video, you can effectively apply these concepts in real-world situations. That's it for our comprehensive guide on meters per second to speed of sound conversion. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content.